Hey guys, here we are. Had a late start today. Cooking the breakfast up, got some eggs, got some potatoes cooking, or they're already cooked. But Wagner and Cadence are getting the kayaks ready over here. You got a afternoon trip here in the river, just had some rain. But yeah, here we go.
My feet's so.
Alright guys, we're here at the boat launch for today's video. Getting ready to unload the kayaks, and I already got one down today. It's a largie. Wagner caught it quick. Sight fished it. There it is. Not bad. Get a release on this guy. There he goes. Beautiful. Alright, let's get it, boys. I got it. I hope it's pointing at it. Did it look like it would be pointing at it?
Yeah.
Wagner sucked up, guys. What's that? Little sunfish. I think the camera can see it.
That's
Good. I swear I seen a fish jump in front of that heron. Oh Wagner, look at all this structure up in there.
Oh my.
Dude, I might anchor. That's a fish.
We might have to anchor.
I think we should just, I don't know. Oh, big smallie, big smallie, big smallie. See it? Go in front of you, Wagner. In front of you.
Right here, Cadence, right here. Right there, he's good. Oh,
Fish. Oh, oh, look at that, guys. Good fish, good fish. Oh, that'd be a good one. That'd be a good one for a largemouth. There's a smallie coming up to see the splashing. It's a little one.
I anchored, by the way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get this and anchor.
Oh,
Then we can show the thing to the camera.
nice fish. It's too shallow. I got him foul hooked, that's why.
Really?
Oh, never mind, he was just wrapped.
All right, I'm coming over. There you go. Did we remember the players? Cause
I think he's with me.
I'm coming in hot. Oh, that's a chunk. That's about the size of the one we seen go by, isn't it?
It actually might have been the one.
It might have been.
So I hooked him from upstream.
You said that was a foul hook. It looked like you wanted it.
No, he.
Can the camera see it?
wrapped.
Oh yeah, it definitely can. There it is, guys. Beautiful fish. He's ready to go. Sweet. Cadence got a sunfish right along this structure over here that I'm heading towards. There's a smallmouth traveling, not a big one. Oh my God, what do I have? What do I have? Something decent. Oh, that's a chunk. It's a big largie. Or not? Yeah, it's a big largie. I got the net. Woo, boys. I'm coming, I'm getting out of all this stuff. Right in the structure over here. Oh, he's a chunk, dude. He's not long, but he's fat. That's a largemouth right there, guys. Got him hooked pretty good. There's a chunk. Wagner. You want me to wait for you?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just gonna put him back in the net. Here we go, guys. Here's the release. Good release. He went right under the boats. He's safe. He's safe. Let's go. Jay just started too. We already have basically a video.
Yeah, basically.
Guys, I just missed the hook set on this bad boy, but not a bad fish. Not a bad fish. Smallie. Ooh. He's giving me a show. Oh. Drop the anchor so I can get this fish. I guess I'll net him. Guess he's big enough to net. There he is. Not a bad fish. Barely hooked. I watched him eat it. All right, guys, there's the fish. Beautiful smallie. There he goes. He was ready to go. All right, not bead.
Why?
Oh. I got a fish, be quiet. Small, 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 small jaws. Woo! That's on video, baby.
Oh, I got one too.
Nah, doubled up, baby. Oh, how good's yours? Oh, yeah, I see him. Oh my God, look at the action we got going, guys. The wall hangers, baby. Woo! Oh, mine's, who has the bigger one? Let me come net. Oh, yours is way bigger. You need the net or? You wanna, I'm gonna come to you in a second. Probably gonna have to paddle more. We gotta get them right beside each other.
Come on.
Look at that hook set, guys. Look at that craw Wagner's got on there. Look at that.
Camera.
Camera should get that. Yeah. Look at that. Not bad. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Let's get a release. They went separate ways. I thought I seen a fish take off. I think I have a fish. Yep. Oh, big one. Decent sized one. I don't know. Oh, Minor. There's a decent one under me. Well, right in between us. A tree just fell. Tree branch. Yeah, it was kind of hard to hear. Come on, come right out. Ah, it's not going to. See, I like when I put my, if I put my thumb in their mouths, they just like bite down on it. It doesn't even hurt. There it is, guys. He's got a nice pattern to him. Little guy. Ugh. What?
You know why you post that.
Why?
When they're released, did you just slap him off the paddle?
Oh no, he slapped into the water.
Oh.
No, he's good. He's chill. I don't even know if I'm filming now. I think I am. But I also think I'm not. Yeah, I know. What else? I got a fish.
Are you kidding me?
Same fish, I think. I think it's the same fish. Another one, guys. You know what's weird? You notice some of the smallies are like, they're just pale.
Yeah.
Like pale color, and then some of them have the stripes. Wonder what that is.
I don't know, but I do know.
I'm just gonna let him keep up until he gets out of energy.
Yeah.
He has a lot left in him. Another one, guys. Little one. Okay, bud. Back to back.
Cap, you added the video.
Okay. I got a fish. I got him. It's a little one. Very little. There's a Mikolo or Mikolo, whatever you say, Ultra. Came off. There we go. It's perfect, like, depth through here. 4 in a row, question mark?
What?
4 in a row? Oh my God. Yep. Oh, there's a decent one following him. 4 in a row, guys. 4 in a row. I am getting bigger. I'm going up and up. Huh.
I don't know. I guess this is how it is.
Oh, it's. I got a cast in here, I think. I can't get this guy off. I got a cast in here, I think. It's shaded. There it is, guys.
And I got a set record for this.
Oh, I got a fish. Oh.
Oh, jeez. He about came flying at me trying to kill me. All right, guys, there's another smallie. Not too bad. Oh, get in the net. There we go. Hey, it's okay. I get excited, sorry. Oh, he broke. Well, I gotta get the hook out of him, but he's got the hook on him still.
Killing your fish? That wind's way too cold to be swimming.
Another one.
I have every little excuse. It's not even an excuse, it's literally a fact. I don't know how you don't think that. Every little excuse. There he is.
Oh!
Ow.
Look at that, guys. Another fish. Oh! 20 inch! 20 inch! They're...
Or not.
No, I don't have a 20 inch. They're swimming under him. Holy sh... Dude, I think we should come up here and do top water. Look at that fish. If you come... Yeah, toss a crawl. Wagner.
I don't have a crawl, I have a lizard.
Dude, they are so big. Look at them cruising. There's two of them cruising. They're both like 18 plus. And the right here to my right. You'll see him if you come over this way. And then the one I seen was definitely 20.
There he is.
Caden's just hooked up. There's my smallmouth.
Dude, I was telling you, the largies sit on this bank.
Wagner, keep your eyes peeled over there. Because they were massive. Caden's just hooked up again.
Nice largie.
Huh.
Oh yeah, that's a better one. That's a better one. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. God, this largie is chunky. Oh, and I'm right in the spot. Man, I appreciate it. Are you guys using lizards?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, well that's great because mine hasn't got touched. He's got a crawl in his mouth, by the way. I stacked the lizard because I wasn't getting any bites.
What is that? Where'd it go? Dude, something black. I think it was a carp.
Wagner.
Another one.
Was that a largemouth? Yeah. That's pretty nice. I thought it was a large one.
Another fish, guys. Fighting like a champ. Chill out, Slice. You spike me, I'll flip. I hope a snake doesn't flop out of here. There's a fish. Hey guys, we're out on the river, you know, having a good day fishing, sort of, and come across this bad boy. Nice striper. I'd say he's about, I don't know, 30 something inches or so. Pretty good one. Oh, I wish we had the scale. Yeah. But yeah, there he is. Beautiful fish. Alright guys, that's the video. I just got done editing it and getting ready to post it now. But I just wanted to explain more about the striper. So we were about to hit the shallow spot in the river, and I stopped filming, so of course it wasn't on film, but I looked back and seen a fish bobbing up and down the water. I honestly thought it was a snake at first, and I noticed it was that striper, so we got out and caught it. I think something was wrong with it because it was basically dying, so we got it, kept it, and got some cool pictures with it. It was above legal limit. Legal limit's 28 inches here in Pennsylvania, and it was about 30 or so. So it was just over, but it was a good fish. We didn't get to weigh it, unfortunately. We forgot to scale. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you like, subscribe, and peace.